Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your phone number on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open your phone application and your Android mobile phone, and you have to go to the setting, click on the three dots on the top right and select settings. Okay, in the setting we can go to the supplementary services and choose which of the SIM card you want to hide your phone number on. For example, I'm going to hide my phone number of my SIM 1. So I'm going to select my SIM 1. We can click on show your caller ID and select never. Okay, and you just need to wait until the process has completed. Okay, and now it's done guys, and right after you select never, your phone number will be hidden. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide our phone number on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.